When an emergency happens, it is important to know that there's a local company that you can trust to get your property back up and running as soon as possible. Our company forms a partnership with your business, establishing a pre-plan and protocols to handle all your restoration needs in the event of a loss, creating less stress, reduced downtime, and a partner you can trust. To ensure preparedness, our risk response managers will come to your location and gather arrival protocols and procedures to be enacted in the event of a loss. Utilizing a custom app, all information is quickly logged into our cloud-based bank-grade secure software, and a custom building report is created that is available 24/7, 365. When an emergency happens, our crews rapidly respond with the plan, knowing where to go, who to call, and what issues need to be addressed immediately, ultimately limiting your downtime. Our account managers will continue to visit and ensure readiness, now and into the future. Answer any questions or addressing any needs that may come up, while always ensuring that you and your organization are ready in the event of a loss. We are the commercial restoration experts and have vast experience working with many other companies similar to yours. Being prepared with a local trusted partner in place and a solid plan is essential. Partner with us now to protect your company's future.